The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold is shaping up to be one of the most exciting foldable smartphones ever created. With its launch set for December 5, 2025, the device is already creating huge buzz in the tech world. Samsung is aiming to change the way people think about phones and tablets by introducing a fresh tray, folding design that switches smoothly between a compact phone and a 10-inch tablet. This new design brings impressive engineering and eye-catching features, but it also raises important questions about weight, thickness, and battery performance. The Galaxy TriFold will be released first in South Korea. Based on how people respond, Samsung may plan a global launch later. Early hands-on impressions and breakdowns from tech reviewers show that this device is not just another foldable, it is something completely new. The biggest highlight of the Galaxy TriFold is its G-shaped folding mechanism. This special hinge allows the device to fold into two main positions. When fully folded, it becomes a compact smartphone that fits easily in the hand. When opened, it transforms into a large tablet with a big, bright display. This flexibility makes the device suitable for entertainment, work, productivity, reading, and multitasking. When folded, the Galaxy TriFold uses a 6.5-inch outer screen. This size is perfect for daily tasks like checking messages, scrolling social media, or making calls. Once unfolded, the screen expands to a massive 10 inches, delivering a full tablet experience. Watching movies, editing documents, drawing, or gaming becomes more enjoyable on this large display. It brings the best of both phone and tablet in one device. Samsung uses advanced OLED technology for both displays. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is sharp, and the brightness levels are impressive. The outer display reaches 2600 nits, while the inner one reaches 1600 nits. These numbers mean both screens stay visible even under direct sunlight. But with this fresh design comes more thickness. When folded, the device measures 14 mm, which is noticeably bulkier than normal smartphones. The panels themselves measure between 3.9 mm and 4.2 mm. Users who care about slim and light phones may feel this size difference. Inside the Galaxy TriFold sits the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. This latest flagship processor is designed for heavy workloads, high-end gaming, and smooth performance. The device also comes with 16 GB of RAM, making sure multitasking stays fluid even with several apps open in the background. For storage, users can choose between 512 GB and 1 TB, meeting the needs of those who store large files, videos, or games. On the camera side, the Galaxy TriFold includes a triple camera setup with a 200-megapixel main sensor. This high-resolution camera promises excellent pictures in almost all lighting conditions. Samsung continues to focus on camera quality, and this device is expected to produce detailed, sharp, and stable images. With camera performance improving every year, the TriFold stands strong among premium smartphones. Battery capacity is another major talking point. The device carries a 5600 mAh battery, which sounds large, but because of the TriFold structure, it is split into 3 cells. For normal use, this battery is decent, but big screens and powerful hardware can drain it faster during heavy use. The charging speed is limited to 25 watt, which is slower than many flagship phones today. This could be a problem for users who depend on quick charging throughout the day. With a device this expensive, some people may expect at least 45 watt or higher charging support. The foldable market already includes strong competitors, and the Huawei Mate X2 is one of them. The Galaxy TriFold takes a different route in design compared to Huawei's foldable. The Mate X2 folds outward, leaving the inner screen exposed. The TriFold folds in a way that protects its inner display from scratches or damage. This extra protection improves durability, but also makes the device thicker and heavier. People who prefer slim devices may not enjoy this added bulk, but users who value protection might appreciate the design choice. In terms of price, the Galaxy TriFold is expected to cost around 4.4 million Korean won, which is roughly $300 US. This puts it in the ultra-premium category. Samsung is clearly targeting early adopters, tech enthusiasts, and people who want cutting-edge foldable technology. By releasing it first in South Korea, Samsung can monitor performance, gather feedback, and fix any issues before a potential worldwide release. Every new innovation comes with trade-offs, and the Galaxy TriFold is no exception. There are some limitations that users need to consider. One drawback is the lack of an intermediate folding state. Many people enjoy using foldables in half-open mode for video calls, watching content, typing notes, or running apps side by side. Since this device only supports fully open or fully closed positions, this flexibility is missing. The bulkier and heavier design may also bother users who like sleek and lightweight phones. While the TriFold pushes boundaries, these aspects affect its portability. The battery life and slow charging speed may be another concern for power users who depend on long screen, on time, and quick recharges during busy days. Still, The Galaxy TriFold shows how far foldable technology has come. Samsung is taking a bold step toward the future of smartphones by offering something different from any past generation. The combination of a massive 10-inch display, powerful hardware, and unique folding mechanics could redefine what the next wave of foldable devices will look like. As competition grows and technology evolves, the Galaxy TriFold may serve as a blueprint for future designs. Innovations like this push the industry forward, encouraging other brands to experiment, improve durability, and build more user-friendly foldables. The coming years may bring lighter, thinner, faster charging TriFold devices, but for now, the Galaxy TriFold stands as an impressive first chapter. Samsung is clearly setting the stage for the next generation of foldable experiences. The success of this device will depend on how well users adapt to its size, weight, battery performance, and high price. If these trade-offs are accepted by consumers, the Galaxy TriFold could mark the beginning of a new era where phones and tablets merge even more smoothly into a single device.